If your work inbox feels overwhelming, this is for you. Most companies are using Microsoft 365 with Copilot nowadays. But how many people actually know how to use it to work more efficiently? For example, did you know Copilot can set up Outlook inbox rules for you? Keep watching. Let's start with a simple scenario. Say Rebecca is your boss, and you want all new emails from her mark with importance to high. Step 1. In Outlook, open Copilot chat. Step 2. Type this prompt. Create an inbox rule to mark with importance to high from Rebecca. Once you press enter, Copilot will generate the inbox rule for you. You'll see a summary screen. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks right. If you want the rule to apply to your existing emails, tick Run Rule Now. Otherwise, it will only apply to new emails going forward. Finally, click Save. And that's it, you're all set. From now on, you can prioritize and reply to high-importance emails first. Here's another common scenario. Let's say you want to move Amazon promotional emails into a folder called Amazon. Step 1. Create an inbox folder named Amazon. Step 2. Open Copilot chat in Outlook. Step 3. Type this prompt. Create an inbox rule to move all emails from auto-confirm at amazon.co.uk to the Amazon folder. Once you press enter, Copilot will generate the inbox rule for you. You'll see a summary screen. Take a moment to review the details. If you want the rule to apply to your existing emails, tick Run Rule Now. Otherwise, it will only apply to new emails going forward. Finally, click Save. Pretty easy, right? Why not try it yourself now? Just remember the magic prompt. Create an inbox rule to, and describe what you want Copilot to do for you. If you found this helpful, please like the video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more quick Microsoft and Copilot tips. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.